Think your job is weird? Wait till you hear these. Job 1. Professional pusher Japan. Shoving people into overcrowded trains, human Tetris at its finest. Job 2. Chicken sexer. Staring at baby chick butts all day to tell their gender. Job 3. Professional mourner getting paid to cry at strangers' funerals, Oscar-worthy job. Job 4. Snake milker. Extracting venom from deadly snakes. One wrong move, game over. Job 5. Odor tester. Sniffing sweaty armpits to test deodorants. Nose of steel required. Would you take any of these jobs? Or is your 9 to 5 suddenly amazing,